I'll be coming about 3 years. It's been a great experience, and I look forward to coming back. Dr. Genninger, he's very professional in how he deals with you as a patient. Always, treats you with respect and makes sure that you're comfortable and feeling good about what's happening, and very informative and letting you know everything that he's doing. He actually had a bridge put up on my left side, and then he recapped both my actually 3 teeth in the front, and he's repaired a few other teeth in the front. Yeah, and very happy with what has been done here. Dr. Genninger's office, they want to be a part of who you are, not just bring you in, do the dentistry and ship you out. They want to know, they kind of want to know who you are. They know you by name. You feel the comfort when you come in. I highly would recommend Dr. Genninger to any of my friends. Actually, we have other family members and different people.